everyone, my name is Julia Wang from Next Gen Real Estate and welcome to our listing at 9944 Woodwind Lane North. This home is located in a private and gated community and zoned to Bellaire High School. It has a family-friendly floor plan with first floor living and 4 bedrooms.
Hi, my name is Nydia.
I'm Gabrielle. Let us show you a tour of this home.
Some of the features this home offers is a spacious and open living area with hardwood floors. This home also has been very well maintained by its current owners, Nest thermostats, 3M window tint, and a Luton lighting system.
Entertain your guest with this wonderful open concept floor plan.
This primary bedroom is located on the 2nd floor. It offers its own ensuite bath with separate sitting area, 2 walk-in closets, and additional bonus flex space. It is also located on the 3rd level.